We got rollerblades! Yay! This video is going to teach you how to use them if you're interested in buying some and put them on and stuff like that. And just kind of watch us do it, so yeah. Okay, so it's kind of hard to figure out which one's which, but so anyway, after you figure out which one's right, you're just going to put your foot in, make sure this thing is down. Then you have to tie your laces in the beginning, but after you tie them once, you don't really have to tie them again every time you put them on. So just make sure you do it tight, like a strap right there. And this part's kind of confusing. It's going to be like this. You can pull it up. So then you're just going to pretty much feed this spot. You want it tight, pretty much, and then you can put this down for even more tightness. So that's how you put one of them on. And then you just do the exact same thing for the other one. Okay, so how to actually rollerblade. I'm not that good at it, so you have to get better at it, but you kind of just push off. You kind of just walk and push off with one foot. You can go as slow as you want and then just glide on each foot as you go. I'm not very good at it, so yeah. Ta-da! Straight how to get up when you fall. So I'm gonna have to actually fall again. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you're just kinda gonna wanna yell out in pain for a minute. Sit there, breathe, and then brush yourself off and get to your knees. And so then you can plant the break of your rollerblade. Trailing off, okay. Plant the break of your rollerblade to the ground so you can stand up without falling. Yeah, and then also if you can't get on your knees, then do like a mermaid pose. Chloe, show the mermaid pose. Mermaid pose like this. And it should be a little bit easier to get on your knees. Like that. Yeah, so. Okay, Morgan is going to teach you how to break. If you're a beginner, just roll onto the grass. But if you actually want to learn how to break and there's no grass next to you, Morgan's going to teach you how. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You just lift wherever a foot has the brake on it, this thing, and it will slow you down, and then you just got to do it a few times so you completely stop. And be careful doing it. Don't go too fast or you'll definitely trip, so just be careful. Yeah. Chloe's really good, so she wants to show herself rollerblading. Yes. So, yeah. And then I'll go as fast as possible. She doesn't really break that. She doesn't really break that well, which is kind of not good, but see? It's okay. These are some of our bloopers. Have fun watching them. They're kind of funny. Ah! Chloe's gonna demonstrate. Ah! No, I actually hurt myself. Cut! My battle wounds are severe. See? Yes, I actually did hurt myself.
Wear a helmet.